For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. How to make your butt rounder in 2 weeks. When it comes to that perfectly sculpted butt, almost every single woman out there will have something to say about theirs. Whether it is too small, not round enough, or too flat, every woman wants to get a rounder, firmer, and perkier butt. With this said, it can actually be quite a difficult place to work out. I mean, it's not like you can just pick up a weight and do a curl with it. Luckily, there are several exercises that you can do to achieve that rounder butt, and in no less than 2 weeks to boot. See what I did there? Let's move on to the 5 exercises you should be doing for a rounder butt in 2 weeks. 1. The leg lift. These are extremely easy to do, as all you need to do is stand in front of a table or counter, lean forward, and lift your leg up off the floor. Make sure your hips are square to the ground, put a slight bend in your knee, and pull in those stomach muscles. Then lift your leg up off the floor as high as possible, and hold before putting it back down. Do this 10 to 30 times, and then repeat with the opposite leg. 2. The tail wag. This exercise is done on all fours. Lift one foot off the ground and rotate it out to your left. And while you do this, move your left hip laterally towards your left shoulder and have your head follow suit. Go as far as possible outward and then come back in, stretching the left leg as far to the right as possible. Once done, come back to the center and repeat with the opposite leg. 3. Fire hydrant kick. This exercise is also done on all fours, where you will lift one knee up off the floor and angle your knee to the outside as far as possible. You can either do this towards your butt or towards one of your sides. 4. Squats. Stand with your feet and knees shoulder width apart and squat down as far as possible without allowing your knees to go over your toe. Bring the rotation back up and repeat. This does wonders for your back and for creating butt muscle. The more butt muscle you have, the less fat layers you will have. 5. Lunges. Whether you do walking lunges or side lunges, these will help with stretching out and toning up your glutes. If you were to do all these exercises over the course of a 10 to 15 minute workout for 2 weeks or 14 days, you would get a rounder, firmer butt. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.